Welcome to another section. So we'll be continuing on querying the Padi cards, and in this session we would go a bit into an advance where you will need to have a report and save it as a view, so as you can use this view for your analytics. So what I mean is that a view is a virtual table that you create for other persons in your organization or in your team to reuse, or for you also to, you can as well connect a view into your Power BI for your report development and dashboard development. So I'm going to walk you through this. So the first thing is we're going to do is to create a new query as well. And the first question we've got in this section is to create a view for counts of Padi cards. We want to have a view like you have a table designed down ready in case if any person wants to run that query in another time, you just have it ready somewhere in the system. So what do is to ask what are the information we need for this view. We want to know the account ID, the company name, the email, and the number of Padi cards that this account has. So we've done this similar work query before, but this time we are creating the view and adding more features to it. So the first thing we are going to do is to use the keyword create view. What is the name of the view? We'll call it, we can give it a name, Padi card counts. Padi card counts. Then how do we want to put it? We'll now put it at as. Then we'll start our select statement. Select. The first thing is we need the account ID. I put on account ID, comma, company name, comma, email, comma, and the next one is going to be count, so which is the Padi card we want to count, and we put card number because that is what is unique. Card number, bracket, then let's put an alias to it as number of Padi card. Okay, from what table? With the account ID, the company name, email, we can all have this in the account table. So let's say from accounts, which is fine. So now the card number is highlighted red because the card number cannot be found in account table. So we need to join this to the card table where we have the card number. So we'll go to join cards on accounts dot account ID equals to cards dot account ID, because that is the common key between the accounts and the card table. So one more thing to observe in this place is that we've got the account ID and it's still showing red. So the question is that which of the account ID are we referencing at this point? So are we referencing the account ID from the account table or account ID from the card table? So we want to reference it from the account table. So I'm going to use accounts dot. So that has taken care of that. So the next thing we're going to look at is to put our wear clause so as to specify the card type we want, which will say wear cards, card type equals Padi. Then we go by accounts, account ID, comma, the company which we've known before is coming from the company name, which is coming from accounts table, email, which is also something that is in the account table. And we can decide to be more specific. In case you have more than that, you can just say accounts dot, accounts dot company name. Then we can just put this as well as accounts dot email. And we can as well come in here and put accounts dot, so referencing the table and the name. And we can as well do the same thing here, which is in case you have the same name in the other table, so as to be specific about the table you are referencing this from. Email. So we've got this. We say you should create view Padi counts. We can as well just let's put a more number of Padi cards. I think this looks okay. So we can run this, execute. You see, command completed successfully. So if I refresh this, you see that the name, number of Padi cards would be under the view. See this? I can right click to edit top 200 rows, and you see all the fields that will specify is what we've got here: the account ID, company name, email, and the number of cards. So that's it for this video on how to create view for the number of Padi cards. Thank you. I'll see you in another video. Bye.